Hi friends, how are you? I'm Leon from LeonsBD, and in this video I will show you how to print all columns in one page in Microsoft Excel. Okay, I have previous video regarding this content. You can watch that from I button. Okay, so let's get started. So see, I am having a document which have almost 25 columns. Okay, if I try to print it, then what will happen? From my keyboard, I'll press Ctrl P. And see, I'm showing the preview of my printing, and I'm showing all the columns are not showing. That means all the columns will not be printed, and that's the issue, just because of I need all the columns to be printed. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll go to page layout, and here there have a settings, there have a scaling. See, I have to print up to this column, up to Y column. Okay, so what I'll do, I will just decrease the percentage of scaling. Okay, so I'm decreasing 95, 90, 85. See, this is the printing area. Printing area, I am decreasing the percentage of scaling, and the printing area is widening. Okay, I'm decreasing 80, and see, now printing area has been increased up to this. That means if I try to print now at this moment, now all the columns will be printed. So let's see, again from my keyboard I'll press Ctrl P, and see, now at this moment even my last column is showing at preview. That means all the columns will be printed in one page. So Microsoft Print to PDF is selected as printer, so I'm clicking on print just for showing. I'll be saved at desktop. Save. Since this document is little bit larger, that's why it is taking some time. So let's check that file on my desktop, and see, this is my file, test print. Opening this file, all the columns of my document are printed. This is how you can print all the column in one page. According to me, this is a time-saving tricks that you should know, and by which you can print all the columns in one page. Okay, so if you think this video is important, give a huge thumbs up, share this content with your community. Thanks for watching. See you in the very next tutorial. Till then, take care.